Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2018 Nissan X-Trail STL, stock reference number 3898. The shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end as well as the rear. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, camera type. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, rear spoiler, rear wiper arm, rear wiper motor, tailgate handle, all available. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, camera type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver side door trim, power window master switch, mirror switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior with driver side electric seat. It's got a leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, owner's manual, service book in a dealership case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.